Hello my friends, this is the unboxing of my brand new PXG, let me get it right, Gen 6 0311 XPs, 4 through G wedge, gap wedge. So let's do this. The reason I got them is playing with these 20, 30-year-old ping eye 2s, 3-iron snap, 4-iron snap. Wife said I had to get a new set, so who am I to argue with her? So let's do it. So they came in a nice box right here. Already took them out. So here we go, right here. PXG. So I did order the Mitsubishi graphite shafts with the oversized grips. Of course that's extra, but hey, it's worth it. That's what I need. Wow, it looks like the video sort of camera tilts. Or is it me? Ah, it is me. It's because I'm drinking cranberry and Tito's. Anyway, I'm gonna roll with it. So let's check them out. Oh. Wow, okay. Big sign right here. You've never played like this before. You know what? I'm gonna believe them. Let's see, I'm gonna pull out this one right here on the top. Wow, that's the gap. Nice graphite shaft, oversized grip. Let's bring it in. Look at that. Or 311 XP Gen 6. That's the gap. Man, just pulling them out of the box, I already feel amazing. Look at the back, weighted. I believe this is the all chrome, which is beautiful. Beautiful. The shaft. The shaft feels amazing. Let's go here. See the Mitsubishi coming. Yeah, this is, so I got the 4 through the gap, and this is through the military program, so got a good deal. Like I said, the wife seen I needed some new clubs. She's going to step into the plate and get them, and I was like, okay. I was like, what are good clubs? I was like, well, tailor-made, Tyler's, that makes them amazing. But then I remember my boy, PXG, is a veteran. I think he was in Vietnam. I was like, I'm a retired veteran. Heard there was an amazing deal, so I went on the website. Went there, and yeah, it's pretty nice discount. I think he also does it for not just veterans, but first responders. Anyway, I hadn't hit them yet, and if you want me to repost the video after I hit them, let them know. Like my handicap, I shoot around 100. So, let you know from there. I'm not a big handicap guy, but I shoot around 100. If I break 100, I'm happy. If I shoot 105, I'm happy. But anyway. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my old Washington Redskins shirt, so leave comments about that if you think whatever the name should be. Also, let's see, got some Cubans here for my first round with the PXG, so we'll rock and roll with that. Anyway, Let me know what you think.